Hi viewers, I'm Asma and you're watching my art channel Virtuoso Palette. Today I'm beginning with another very exciting acrylic painting ideas based on clouds. So let's go to look, watch and observe. My only request to you is to kindly comment, subscribe and share my link with your family and friends because it is a big encouragement for me. Thank you so much. So here is the third cloudy acrylic painting idea by Virtuoso palette. I'm starting with some liquidy black and I think I need to fix it by using my sponge brush. There you go. Actually, I want my first layer like this on my mini canvas. Let's prepare the first base. Almost done. Now keeping it wet, I'm going to work further and I'm adding a tone of light blue prepared with primary blue and white. Gentle strokes in circular motion and blending. A little black and white, making another layer, taking advantage of the wet base to utilize its black for creating more tones. A stroke of cyan turquoise blue blending with white and black on different spots, merging the paints well. Now viewers, I'm repeating the same paints, the same tones. Light blue, black, white and cyan. I'm using them again and again, working in layers. Small, gentle strokes, creating layers gradually. And now, some use of sponge for another layer with a different effect. I'm adding some white using the sponge. Viewers, the kind of image I want to portray here is a close-up sort of scene My regular viewers of Virtuoso palette must have my first and second acrylic painting ideas on clouds in their minds. The kind of painting images they could be viewed from the ground. But this one is different. And you need to wait and discover to see the final result. Gradual, gentle strokes, adding layers. Some lights. I'm using sponge where I feel to add some spongy effect. Back to the brush. Let's place the crescent using white and some grayish blue shade in it and fix the outline using a toothpick, I think. Now this will also be in layers. I think later I'll work more on the crescent. For the time being, I'm leaving it, just adding a bit of white using a thin brush. Because the previous layer, it needs some time. And now comes the wheelbarrow carrier. And what would he be carrying in it? Let's bring the figure in light. I'm using white and cyan turquoise blue blended with white in the wheelbarrow, a little black blending towards a grayish tone, some black in the wheel, we'll give the details later. Some blending. A touch of copper for the handles, the outline of the wheelbarrow, and taking off the stencil. Let's fix the wheel in the clouds and some details in the figure. The details in the wheelbarrow. The figure. And a spongy stroke for the cloud. And here comes the brush strokes for some clouds in the wheelbarrow. So, he's carrying some clouds in his wheelbarrow. Now I'm giving another layer on the clouds. Another layer of clouds using the sponge for light, medium, and darker tones. Let's give a final touch to the crescent. Right now I'm using a thin brush, but I might use a toothpick here.
on top. Yes, there we go. And viewers, on top of the previous strokes, I'm using some more strokes. A layer for light, light blue. This is cyan turquoise blue with some white actually. Now a little work at the bottom, and I'm about to use some black also at the right bottom corner. And some darker tone in the middle portion of my clouds. It's almost done. Now using my palette knife, I am giving an outline to the wheelbarrow. Here is some detail. The figure. And fixing the cloud with the sponge brush. Viewers, do let me know if you liked the wheelbarrow carrier in the clouds by Virtuoso palette. Stay tuned for the last cloudy acrylic painting idea. Bye!
So viewers, hope you liked this beautiful cloud and explored it well. See you soon in the next video. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. Bye!